Coding skills are becoming of great value in today's world, where technology and automation are taking over. When students learn to code in Scratch, they learn important strategies for solving problems, designing projects, and communicating ideas. Scratch is designed especially for ages 8 to 16, but it is used by people of all ages.
The animations are really fun to make. Like, you could make a fish that swims, or you could make a fish that throws a dance party. Just depends on what you want the program to do.
It is used in more than 150 different countries and available in more than 60 languages. But the question is, what is so special about Scratch? Are there any special skills required for learning Scratch? Why is Scratch perfect for students to learn programming? And how can students learn 21st century skills through Scratch? Well, if you're curious to find the answers to these questions, then stay tuned to this course to know more about Scratch. Do you ever wonder what the basic structure of a website is? Are all the web coded in a similar manner? Like bones to a human being, HTML is to a website. It creates the basic structure and initiates its further building. But the question is, can I start coding with HTML? What cool things can you do with HTML? Is prior knowledge of HTML necessary for learning CSS and JavaScript? Is learning HTML even worth it? If you have all such questions as well even further, this HTML course is exactly for you. Over the span of 25 years, Python has managed to reach a level that is high above others, making it the fastest growing language. With an exponentially growing community around data science, machine learning and artificial intelligence, deep learning and more, Python is a language that opens programming access to the world. There is no doubt that it has become quite popular in the software industry. But the question is, are you aiming to become a programmer? Are you passionate enough to take the big step to enter the world of programming? Do you want to learn and code in Python? Do you wish to make a robot or self-driving drone? Well, if you're curious to find the answers to these questions, then stay tuned to this course to know more about Python. With 2.7 million apps in Google Play Store and 1.84 million apps available in Apple's App Store, it is clear that mobile app development has become an urgent need of the hour for all size businesses of all domains. But the question is, have you ever wondered how these mobile apps were built? What skills do you need to build an app? What is the best programming language to learn for writing apps? No need to gather around. We got you covered. Introducing Edapt Flutter course. In this course, we will help you develop cross-platform applications for Android, iOS, Linux, Mac, Windows, and the web from a single code base. Stay tuned to this course to know more about Flutter. Ready? Let's go. Do you ever wonder how designers create functional and beautiful interfaces in apps and webs? Why your designer chose blue instead of red for your app menu? Maybe you have a side project or business you'd like to add some professional polish to, but you worry that designers have some magical instinct that you don't. Introducing Figma, a collaborative interface design tool that's taking the design world by storm. But before that, what exactly is Figma? How to use it? Why is Figma so popular? Is learning Figma worth it? It's the right time to answer all these unknowing questions. Hold on guys, if you're into UX, UI design or app design, this Figma tutorial course is ideal for you.